welcome to our latest video highlighting some of Transactive Global's lesser known functionality and capability. To start, let's look at report scheduling in the Report Center, where you can choose to set up and manage reports that you'd like to run or be emailed to your registered email address on a scheduled basis. Generated reports can then be downloaded through the Report Center, download reports from the menu, or via your email. To create a scheduled report, simply locate Scheduled Reports from the menu, select New, and enter in the required details. If you'd like the report to be sent to your email, please ensure you tick the Deliver by Email box prior to completion. The email address used will be taken from your user profile information. If you need to change this, please contact our Customer Service Center if you are a security token holder, or your administrator if you are a password user. It's important to note that to access your report sent to your email, you must have set up a report retrieval code. This can be done in Settings and Preferences located in the drop-down icon next to your username at the top right of the screen. In the pop-up, you can manage your application preferences, specify your reference currency, or define your time zones. Additionally, you can also create your retrieval code, which acts as your password for the scheduled reports that are sent to your email. Here you also have the option of applying payment notifications or alerts which will be sent to your email each time a payment is completed. Depending on your organizational structure, your organization may have more than one division. Settings also provides you with the option of setting a division as a default which will flow throughout the system. Another useful function of the Settings menu is the Set Landing Page option, which can be applied anywhere in the system. For example, if we navigate to Accounts from the menu, then select Set Landing Page, then this will be the default page shown after every login going forward, and you can change this at any time. In Transactive Global, folders help you organize items, like accounts or templates, that you want to group together, which can be saved and accessed later. Let's look at accounts. We can create a custom folder by clicking the View icon and create Account Folders option. Let's create a country-specific folder, for example, all accounts for Singapore. Our new folder will then show in the View drop-down, where we can use the group icon from the control bar to filter by country. To add accounts into this folder, simply select the corresponding account checkbox, then right-click and move to the new folder. Folders that you create can be edited or removed at any time from the Manage Folders option. The advantage of creating a folder is that they are permanent, rather than using the grouping option, which can be a temporary filter selection. There may be occasions, for example, where you need to query a deposit slip or check amount and confirm these with the transaction details for reconciliation purposes. This is possible in operating accounts, where you can select a specific account, then under Account Activity tab, you can select specific transactions to view in more detail. The transaction may have a voucher image attached to it, where you can then verify the details. Should you need to return to the home page at any point, a quick click on the ANZ logo will take you back to the start, where you can also access and view workspaces, which are customizable tiles which can be added or arranged to display content that suits your needs, for example pending approvals. These can be easily added and removed as required. There may be instances where payments fail due to insufficient funds. These can be resubmitted on the same value date without additional approvals. However, these must be submitted prior to cut-off time once sufficient funds are made available. After locating the applicable payment in Current Payments, you can find a Resubmit option under the Actions icon in the control bar. It is helpful to note that MT103 messages are available in Transactive Global in PDF format for all international payments which are in a completed status. Under Beneficiary Details in the payment, clicking on the completed payment detail brings up a pop-up window which gives you an option to download the MT103 message if required. When creating a payment, it's also possible to email a beneficiary advice to the beneficiary to let them know when the payment is completed. During the payment creation process, in the beneficiary payment detail settings, check the email beneficiary advice box. Enter in the email and they will receive the advice once the payment has been completed. It's important to note that this is the only stage you can enter in the email, and pre-populated email addresses are derived from the beneficiary details in the payee list.